Hi everyone, it's Amber and today I am going to show you how I did my makeup for my Aela cosplay. Aela is a character from Skyrim and she's super badass and really one of my favorite cosplays to wear. I didn't really wear her for some time, but at the moment I filmed this, there was snow outside, which is kind of rare for the Netherlands, especially snow that doesn't melt right away. So I am just quickly doing my makeup to go outside and do a little last minute impulsive photo shoot. So as usual, I'm starting out with my base, which is just foundation and powder, lots and lots of powder. So for the eyes, I'm starting out with a brown eyeshadow and I'm applying that all over my lid. For Aela, it is more of I'm a werewolf, I haven't slept in forever kind of eye look. So I am making sure that I'm just blending it out a lot so the lines aren't too harsh. On the lower lash line, like the under eye area, I am applying a reddish toned eyeshadow. And to darken up the eyes, I am applying a black eye pencil on my lower and upper waterline. And I'm sorry if the mirror is in the way. Since I was in a hurry, I kind of forgot to make sure it wasn't in the way all the time. Like, oh my god, it's so bad. But what I'm doing right now is just applying some of that eye pencil around my lash line. That just helps darkening up the black eyeshadow I'm applying right now. Oh my god, it's so bad. Why? Anyways, I'm so sorry for the mirror in the way. But yeah, just messily applying eyeshadow, having a snack, blending. That's pretty much what I'm doing. Next, I am contouring a little bit. I'm just taking a brown eyeshadow that's like 2 shades darker than my skin. And I don't do this a lot, but I know that when I stand in the snow with my super pale skin, I'm just going to be washed out. So I really needed some contour just to define my features a little bit more. Here I am filling in my eyebrows with a eyeshadow that's just a little bit more of a warm toned brown, orangey, reddish kind of color. Just to match the wig I'm going to put on. I don't know what I did there because I couldn't see it. But right now I am applying some highlighter. Again, just to create more depth to my face. And I'm applying some mascara. And that's all I'm going to do for the lashes, since wearing fake eyelashes wouldn't really fit the character. Aela also has some kind of markings on her face. I don't know if it's face paint or a tattoo, but it's just some green stripes and I am just mapping them out using a green eyeshadow. With eyeshadow it is way easier to begin because when you are going to make a mistake, it doesn't really give a big mess when you try to take it off, and with face paint it is. So when I'm happy with like the mapped out shapes, I am going to fill them in with green face paint. And this is just some cheap face paint I found in like a party store or something. So that will do. You don't really need really expensive paint. Um, for me, it's just good enough if it has some pigment to it. And to give the face paint a little bit more depth, I am just applying different shades of dark green eyeshadow and a little bit of brown eyeshadow on top of it. And don't be afraid to be messy, go over the lines, because that just really fits the character. And that is pretty much the makeup. I didn't really film anything of the photo shoot because it was super cold and I couldn't feel my hands. So here are a few pictures we took. Anyways, if you liked this video and if you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe if you didn't already do that. Thanks for watching and until next time, bye guys!